be crazy.
Welcome from
Hey, hey, hey.
Welcome from Sudan. What
No, Tanzania.
Then what one sucks in the sun and what one pushes
Black sucks in the sun. White reflects it.
Right.
Okay? So first say good morning from Tanzania.
Good morning from Tanzania. Cheese. So,
I keep my cool, but I'm feeling. I try to say goodbye and I choke. Try to walk away and I stumble.
Yeah, you wake him up. We gotta get off.
he's not waking up.
Wake him up, buddy.
When will they stop? I believe that fate has
This plane.
Yeah, no, I'll sell it.
I'm gonna leave this here. Is that okay? This rubbish?
but will I play it off, but I'm dreaming of you. And I keep my cool, but I'm feeling. I try to say goodbye and I choke. Try to walk away and I stumble. Though I try to hide it, it's clear. My world crumbles when you are not near.
The thing about Africa, if you don't already know, is that every place you go is so completely different. We flew to Tanzania and remember it was a really late night. We got in very late, went straight to Legendary Lodge in Arusha. Yeah, remember we put it in the car last night? So we drove about an hour and a half from Arusha to an amazing place called Chem Chem Lodge.
This is what Calis' hair looks like. This is what Dorothy's hair looks like. And there's this handsome guy in the back who's just looking so good today.
He's doing this.
Oh, you want the front facing? All right, here's Dorothy. Here's Callie. Manila, see what I'm talking about? You look good, huh?
Yeah. I look good. Do I look good?
You look good, buddy. Do you think you look good?
Yeah. Kelly, look at the giraffe. The giraffe. I didn't get a drink.
Because you're laughing too hard.
Try again. See if he falls for it again. Do you see it, Callie?
Oh, that giraffe?
Look at it. It came out of his nose.
Oh my god.
I just drank it. It was so sour, and then I was like,
Don't laugh this time. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. Okay.
I think I see a peacock.
No.
Yeah.
Really? Let's check this out.
Okay.
Callie, someone's drinking your drink.
He's in the old. Drink down, Callie. Are you drinking outside? No. Is it a tin? A sweeping. Are we gonna climb a sweep and sweep in it? No. We're not leopards. Lions. Are we lions? Yes! 1, 2, 3. I can see. Wait, what is this? Is this mine? It's yours. Guys, let's see our room. Dad, this is mine.
Oh my
Dad, Dad.
Yeah, this is yours.
But is middle and sleep with me? Yes.
Guys, your room is cute. Mom, look at these beds.
2, 3. That good? Is that good?
Yeah, that was good counting, buddy. Your tents are just right in the bush. You've got
I mean,
ostrich and giraffes.
but you kind of got this like
just all right there.
savannah-looking thing to look over, and I mean, literally just sitting from your tent, you're like, there's the giraffes, there's the wildebeest, there's the zebras.
Hey, mister, see that sister? Don't you let her thrill you. Sticks and stones may break your bones, but when our looks could kill you. Oh, oh, hey, come my way. Suka, suka, na, na. Come on, eh, sale, ale. With the suka, suka, mama.
Let's go see the warthogs.
Dad, they might get you, so stop right here, okay? They might get you. Dad, you mean it. Say cheese. Say cheese. Dad, I said say cheese and he looked at me.
We're on a family bushwalk tonight, looking at all of the animal prints and dung droppings.
There's a calm surrender to the rush of day, when the heat of a rolling wind can be turned away.
An enchanted moment, and it sees me through. It's enough for this restless warrior just to be with you. And can you feel the love tonight? It is where we are.
Jess loves that. Such a fan of the monogamy. Flamingos!
And can you feel the love tonight? How it's laid to rest.
That wasn't a good land.
It's enough to make kings and vagabonds believe the very best.
Moment for the journal. When the Maasai warrior was teaching Manila how to make fire. Manila, I mean, we've had this experience at a few different stops now, and Manila has just embraced it. He wants to be a firebender. He wants to be able to create fire.
He blows and blows like
Oh, there it is. Oh, nice, Manila. Yes. You got it, Callie. Ooh. I bet it's getting hot.
good, Nance.
I'm seeing some smoke.
Keep going, keep going, keep going, Manila. Yeah, Manila.
Oh my goodness, Manila. Manila. What? I think this is the part where we blow on it. Yeah, Manila. Come on, buddy. Wow, Manila, that's your fire. Wow. Manila, you are Maasai.
It's so big.
Gosh.
This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine. Little light. I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine. Let it shine. Let it shine.
Flamingo. Flamingo.
It's gone. Oh. That one's a dung zebra.
Might be one of the nicest places we've stayed here in Africa.
Yeah.
It was really nice.
Might
And
be. Our guide was actually one of our favorites.
oh, wait. I don't know if I caught it on camera. Will you please just explain the silly song that you and the kids came up with in the back seat?
We just, some of these safari drives are really, really long. And so me and the kids are in the back. We just start making up songs. Crocodile in my
You guys
suit.
made up that one?
Crocodile. Yeah, I just
know,
kind of
it's
teach
the
the kids to
worst.
rhyme.
Wait.
And then we made a family one that was like, Mommy, she's the bommy. Daddy, thinks he's pretty ratty. Anyway, and then Manila's goes, Nina, what's for dinner?
And this is the best part. I don't think I caught it on camera, but like 10 times we caught our guide just driving the Jeep being like, Nina, what's for dinner? Oh, it's so awesome.
Hey, Salute.
Yes.
Kelly has a question really fast.
Which one's faster? Thompson Brazil or ostrich?
Which one's faster between a Thompson gazelle and an ostrich?
Yeah. That's a difficult one. I would say more or less the same.
Oh yeah, about the same.
Yeah, ostrich can go about 80 kilometers per hour, which is almost the same as a Thompson
Gazelle.
Yeah.
And what about
They're
a
both
cheetah?
really fast. The cheetah's faster though.
Have you ever seen a cervet?
Yes, at night.
What about elephant?
What?
What about elephant?
Elephants.
Yeah.
Yes.
What one could win a race? A honey badger or elephant?
Honey badger and elephant. Elephant.
Which one could win a race?
Yeah, you can.
A dog or a duck or a duck?
Wild dog.
Whoa, wild dog.
Oh. Which one's a good butt? A zebra or a giraffe?
I kind of like a zebra bum, I think. They look very strong.
So the stripes on their body, the black sucks in the sun, and the white reflects it. Is the hot. You're saying it right. Go. So the stripes on zebra's body, the black sucks in the sun, and the white reflects the sun. So then the worm and cold. Okay, Callie, are zebras grazers or browsers? Grazers. Good job. What does grazers mean? They eat grass. And what does browsers mean, Minnow? They eat meat. No. Oh. Callie, what does grazers mean? Eat grass. Yeah. What does browsers mean? They eat leaves. Callie, what do you know about zebras? They eat grass. They eat grass. What are the cutest ones? The babies. Yeah. You're so cute. This snuggly.
Manila.
Minna, have you seen Callie?
Have you seen Callie, buddy?
Is she sitting with you? Yeah.
Can I do it?
Oh. Oh my gosh, you got it.
Hiya!
That's cool.
Wow. Guys, she's coming to us. And here's a white giraffe.
It looks like a coloring book that hasn't been colored.
Yeah, that's exactly what it looks like. Hey, you ready? You manifested it. Oh, that is the cutest. Is that the cutest kitty we've seen so far? Oh my goodness. It's right there.
It's so cute.
Jump out and snuggle it.
Ty wants to jump out and snuggle it.
Jump out and snuggle it.